Here's today's lesson. Learn to set your sails. It doesn't matter what the economic conditions are or the circumstances around you. You can do it. Every year the Sydney to Hobart yacht race occurs. They leave from the same place, Sydney Harbour, on Boxing Day, and a few days later they arrive in Hobart. Yet every year the conditions are different. Sometimes there are storms, sometimes there are blue skies. The wind might come from the east, the wind might come from the north. But they learn to set their sails so that the craft that they're in goes in the direction they want and they arrive at the desired destination. At MRD, we will show you how to set your sails based on the prevailing conditions at the time. We will journey with you. We will walk with you. We will help you arrive at your destination safely. That's the MRD way.